Welcome to this charming two-story home nestled in the heart of Rancho Cucamonga. Built in 2003, this cozy property boasts 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, perfect for a small family or a couple looking to settle down in a peaceful neighborhood. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by gleaming hardwood floors that flow seamlessly throughout the open-concept living space. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, including a dishwasher, microwave, and range oven, making meal prep a breeze. You'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, each offering plenty of natural light and closet space. Step out onto the balcony and enjoy your morning coffee while taking in the serene views of the surrounding area. With a lot size of 1,089 square feet, this property offers a low-maintenance lifestyle without sacrificing comfort and style. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this house your home.